everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Snapchat application. So for that you need to open the Google Play Store on the Android devices. If you are using a iOS device, you need to open Play Store and the process is similar. So open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and there on the search bar type in Snapchat. Tap on search. You can see the Snapchat application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Snapchat is a application where you are able to send snaps and videos to the friends and families of yours. It helps you stay connected with your friends, families through videos, snaps and even conversation. Snapchat is a fast and fun way to share the moment with your friends and families through sending snaps. You can see here the application has been downloaded. Now you need to tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Snapchat. So this is how you can download and install Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.